Hi, Tigers. Happy Tuesday. It is time for our daily announcements. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. We will start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Now we will say our school pledge. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. We have two birthdays today, so a big happy birthday to Yvonne Morales in 4th grade and Marcus Williams in 1st grade. Our announcements for today are that paper packet pickup continues today for this week. We'll be on campus from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock. If you need to come pick up a paper packet, please come to the front entrance and ring the bell. Today is Teacher Appreciation Day. I need you to help us light up Pitt County this evening at 8:20. Please put a light in a window or turn on an outdoor light for 20 minutes to honor the teachers of 2020 and how hard they're working. Our positivity project focus this week is leadership. This means you value each member of your group or team and inspire people to do their best. I know you're working with your teachers for positivity project during your morning meetings on Google Classroom or Zoom. All right, remember your tiger paws as you continue working today. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a tigerific Tuesday, Tigers. We miss you.